In this video, we are going to see the case study 4. Let's see the list of transactions. Journalize the following transactions. The first one is regarding about Akash Traders started business with rupees 1 lakh. This particular transaction has to be recorded in a receipt voucher, and for this particular transaction we require two different ledger accounts. One will be the cash, the other one will be the capital account. Cash is one of the predefined or built-in ledger account in Tally. Right now we have to create only one, that will be the capital account. Let's see this particular recording in Tally. We can see the company is created, that is case study 4, gateway of Tally, right? It's not required that we have to go for masters to create the ledger accounts or the accounts head. We can go directly to the transactions, accounting vouchers, right? And here we will select for the receipt voucher. Correct. Then what is credit? Credit will be the capital account. To create this one, I'll see capital account, alias will be blank. Under capital account, remaining things we are not entering. Then later say accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. What's the amount given here? 1 lakh. Right. The next is regarding about debit cash. It is already created. Just type C, down arrow key, 1 lakh, type the narration, later save. Press Y. Next transaction. Next transaction, purchased furniture of rupees 10,000 and machinery of 25,000 from Ramesh on credit. See, this is purchase of fixed asset, right? We cannot record this one in purchase voucher. We have to record this one in journal voucher, and this is on credit basis. If this is in the form of cash, in that case this will go for the payment voucher. Right now we will record this particular transaction in journal voucher. Now select for journal voucher, right? Debit. Furniture account has to be created. To create that one, just press here Alt C. Furniture account, alias blank, and this will be allocated to the group fixed assets. Then later save, press Y. Amount is 10,000, correct. Credit will come, make it debit because we have one more. Machinery account has to be created. Alt C to create. Then fixed asset, later save this one, press Y. What's the amount given? 25,000, right? Then credit will be Ramesh account has to be created. Alt C to create. Alias will be blank, and this will be allocated to the group, that will be sundry creditors. Later Control A to save and quit back. When we are not filling other parameters, in that case we can save and exit back. Control A. 35,000 on account, 35,000. Type the narration, later save. Y. The next transaction. The next transaction is sold goods to Mr. XYZ of rupees 5,000 on credit basis. This has to be recorded only in sales voucher because it is on credit, right? Okay, let's see this particular recording in case of Tally. Select for the sales voucher. Invoice mode has come down. Change this one to voucher mode by pressing Ctrl V or bottom right hand side as voucher. Just click on this one. Right. Then what will be debit and what will be credit? Debit will be XYZ, which has to be created. Alt C to create. XYZ account. This has to be allocated to the group that will be sundry debtors. Then Control A to save and quit bank. What's the amount given here? 5,000. New reference 1, which is nothing but the voucher number. Amount 5,000. Credit will be sales account has to be created. Alt C to create. Which has to be allocated to the group sales account. Control A. We don't have any stock information. Just ignore this one. 5,000. Type the narration, later say. Press Y. Next one. Next transaction, sold goods to Mr. Rajesh for cash of rupees 9,000. This is in the form of cash. This can be recorded either in the sales voucher or in the receipt voucher. Let's see this particular recording in Tally. Receipt voucher. Then what will be credit? Sales account. We don't have any inventory information. 9,000. Debit cash. Down arrow key, select for cash. 9,000. Type the narration, later say. Press Y. Here comes out with the transaction. Deposited rupees 10,000 into the bank. Here the transfer of money from cash to bank. Deposit into the bank, right? This has to be recorded in contra voucher. Let's see this particular recording in Tally. Select for contra voucher. Just click on the right hand side here. Contra, right? Credit will be cash, right? Amount is 10,000, correct? Debit, bank account has to be created. Alt C to create. This has to be allocated to the group that will be bank accounts. Later, Control A to save and quit bank. 10,000. Type the narration, later save. The next transaction is received check of rupees 2,000 from Mr. XYZ. This has to be recorded in receipt voucher. Let's see this particular recording in Tally. Receipt voucher. Credit will be XYZ 2,000 against the reference 1, that is the sales voucher. Debit will be bank account 2,000. Mention the check number, later say. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. The next one, paid rupees 800 for printing and stationery. This has to be recorded under the payment voucher. Let's go back to the payment voucher. Then what will be the debit here? Which has to be created. Alt C to create. I just do paste here. Control Alt V to paste. Printing and stationery account. Alias will be blank. And this has to be allocated under the group indirect expenses. Later save, press Y. What's the amount given here? 800. Credit, cash, just type C. Down arrow key, cash 800, type the narration, later save. The next one, Mr. Akash has withdrawn rupees 3000 to pay daughter's fees. This has to be recorded under the payment voucher. Payment voucher, debit drawings account has to be created. Alt C to create. Alias will be blank. And this has to be allocated to the group, that will be the capital account. Then Control A to save and quit back. Amount is 3000. Credit bank account 3000. Type the narration, later save. Next one, paid salary of rupees 5000. This has to be recorded in payment voucher. Payment voucher, debit salary account has to be created. Alt C to create. Indirect expenses, Control A, 5000. Credit, it's in the form of cash, 5000. Type the narration, later save. Next one. Right now we have the last transaction, paid rent of rupees 3500. Again, this is in the payment voucher itself. Debit rent account has to be created. Alt C to create. Indirect expenses, later save. 3500. Credit cash 3500. Type the narration, later save. This completes all the recording, and we have seen that from the voucher itself, that is from the accounting voucher creation window itself, we have done the creation of masters. We have done the creation of ledger accounts. It's not required that we have to go back to the masters, create all the ledger accounts, then we have to go for the recording of transactions. From this particular window itself, we can do the creation of the ledger accounts or the account heads. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel.